Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing good. So today we will see and discuss about the Facebook group scraper. So how we can scrap any detail inside the Facebook group, any comment or any important post that you feel which is important for you. How you can scrap and how you can grab all the post, comment and engagement right away from Apify. So we just simply head over to N10 and create one account. After that you need to create one account in Apify also. So in Apify you can literally scrap anything that you want. So simply go over to Apify and create one account and search for the Facebook comment or Facebook group scraper. So first find out the Facebook group scraper and agree to the terms and condition of Apify. And after that, here you can see we have already searched the Facebook group scraper. So simply you need to go to the Apify store and search for the Facebook post scraper. So here you will find out this crafted and maintained by Apify. So you can use this post scraper. So to do this, you just have to go to the N10 and you need to create one form submission. We have started with a form submission. You can literally do it with like any external app such as Telegram or WhatsApp as well, or Slack, whatever suits you. So you just have to head over to the this form submission and you need to enter the details. And it goes like you need to enter the URL of the post of the any group that you want to scrap, and here you just mention the number of post it has to scrap, otherwise it will scrap all the posts available inside the group. So we have to limit it to have the latest one, not all the older one. And just need to structure it, and we just have to, here you can see we have already given the URL of the post that we want to scrap and the number of posts that we are interested. After that, here we are passing on to the set field where we have mentioned the URL as a string. So we are using the URL that we have already grabbed from the post. And after that, the number of posts that you want to let's say 2 posts or 3 posts, it's up to you. And after that, we are just passing on it to the HTTP request node. So here you can see that we have simply go to the this API endpoint. So here you can go to the run actor synchronously and get dataset items. So we just need to copy this endpoint URL and simply head over to the N10, and when you select the method as post, you just put up this URL, and this is like a generic credential type, so it should be header auth. So inside the header auth, you just simply mention the API key, which is nothing but the authorization, and the value should be bearer space your API key of Apify. After that, we are just passing on simply one JSON request. So here it's like the start URL. So URL is nothing but the post or the URL which is coming from the group of the Facebook, and the rate limit or the result limit is something which the results you want to grab. So here you can see we have already run this actor, and we have this like this text here coming from the group. And after that, we can see all the other details, which is like the image URL and other stuff. So you can just simply head over to a Google spreadsheet. So you can simply mention a Facebook URL and the text and the comment if you want to grab the comment as well. So head over to the Apify again and search for the actor for the comment. So you just simply go to the Facebook comments comment scraper. Simply you need to just grab the endpoint URL, same as we did for the Facebook post. So Facebook comment scraper, again the crafted and maintained by Apify itself. So you just need to grab the API endpoint. So you just need to grab the same way, and you just need to copy it and simply head over to the NetN, where you have to submit one HTTP request. So this one is for the comment, and here you have to just grab this URL, that you have already, and just paste it here, and simply you just select the Apify API, and you can just literally mention the URL and about the number of comment that you want to grab, and it will do all the needful for you. You can get all the comment URL and their ID and the profile comment link. All you can just simply make a note inside your spreadsheet, and this way you can just literally scrap any Facebook group information. It can be any job related or anything which can be helpful for you if you just struggling to get all the posts important to you. So you just simply grab all the posts inside the Apify, and you can just make a note, and this way you will never miss important posts and important updates coming directly from Facebook groups. So I hope you find this video very well. So thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.